In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Mercury Bank account. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, having a reliable banking partner is crucial. Mercury Bank is a great choice for businesses, offering a streamlined process for opening an account. Let's get started. First, head over to Mercury's website. You'll notice the option to open account prominently displayed, which caters specifically to business banking. Click on this option, and you're on your way to securing a new financial partner for your business endeavors. Next, you'll need to input some basic information. Start by entering your name and business email. Creating a secure password is also crucial at this stage. This basic information sets the foundation for your account and ensures that you have control over its access. So choose a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. Now, it's time to dive into the details about your business. Mercury Bank will ask for specific information pertinent to your operations. Be prepared with these details at your fingertips, as they help Mercury understand the nature and scope of your enterprise. With your business groundwork laid, the platform will prompt you to upload certain required documents. These typically include your company's formation papers and identification documents. These are necessary for verifying the authenticity of your business. Ensure they are legible and accurately reflect your business information to avoid delays. If you're a non-US entity, an additional step involves providing proof of your US operations or address. This can come in the form of utility bills, a lease agreement, or other documents that satisfactorily demonstrate your presence or activities within the United States. Whipping these out might seem tedious, but it's essential for regulatory reasons. Once all the information and documents are in place, it's time to submit your application. Mercury will take it from here and review the details you've provided. This process typically takes a few business days, so be patient. It's perfectly normal to check in with their support team if any queries arise, though they usually update you as soon as there's news. Upon approval, you're all set. You'll receive access to your new business checking and savings accounts. Plus, you might have a few other perks up your sleeve, like virtual cards, debit and credit cards, and the ability to send and receive wires. This versatility allows you to manage your finances with unprecedented flexibility and efficiency. Congratulations, you're ready to harness the power of a comprehensive banking solution with Mercury. Wasn't that straightforward? By following these steps, you've set your business up for financial success. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful business tips and guides. Happy banking!